All right, this is a special update for Bbry and also about Evry. I got a great video here for anyone who wants to witness premium analysis. Basically, before I talk about BlackBerry, I just want to make something clear. I am not a day trader. I'm a directional trader. And what a directional trader is someone that looks for stocks that can make strong moves quickly, and so you get to catch big moves. And I'm going to demonstrate this right now, but there's so many picks, but on a few of them. But BBRY is something I've identified right now as something that can make a strong move. However, it has to confirm, and it has not been able to confirm. Now, let's go and take a look on my stream. So just to educate people here, and let's move down to my last BlackBerry update. There was one I did on September the 4th, and then there was another one on September the 3rd. Let's click on this, okay? And you can see there's a lot of views, lots of likes. People are liking my analysis. Thanks for the chart update, this particular individual, and he'll come up again. Now I'm going to click on the chart here, and look what I said. See, this is the move it made. I said, BBRY, if this move is for real, then this should take out 1090.11 on strong volume, as this could be an explosive trade. Now, you can press pause here and see this chart, or go to my stream and click on the actual chart. Now, let's get back to the BlackBerry chart. So basically, the next day, as you can see, the volume was really low. It attempted to get to the high. In other words, it attempted to try to break those levels, but failed. And as you can see, the volume of what I explained wasn't there, and therefore we got this pullback. Now, I didn't know they were going to pull it back this much, and that's not what my technique is about. It's about waiting for confirmation on the proper setups. I use my visionary lines and chart patterns and volume patterns to figure things out. Now, let's go so in other words, what am I looking for right now? I'm looking for BlackBerry to break above the 1070 to 1090 area on heavy volume, and I'm looking for 10 to 20 million shares. And until we get the right volume, I don't think this stock is going to. If they run it up on very low volume, it won't go very far, in my opinion, and that could be set up for a drop rhino. So basically, what I'm looking for is the volume. It's key. Now, instead of being stuck in BlackBerry, let's go to a stock chart I sent. This is what being a special follower is all about. I want to show this. So here's my profile. I'll go to Evry now. Now, Evry is one of the charts I sent out to my followers on September the 1. This is on my stream, and we've clicked on here. I just put this up right now. We got a couple of likes. This guy says, missing out on so much. Would really appreciate it if I could be added to your mailing list. And this is one of my followers who, there's going to be other ones joining, of course, that we'll talk about it. But, not everybody, is going to get into stuff, right? But if you look at this, what I did is on September the 1st, I sent out this chart was made on August the 29th close. And I said that if it breaks into 255, 265 area, that it would confirm, and it did that. We got the volume spike. And now you can see that the price at the time was 239. Now, if you look at the price now, the stock practically jumped about 40%. Okay, this week alone. It could go higher. These are the targets. It may not, but right now it's a pretty strong, profitable trade. Day traders will love this. But I'm a directional trader, and you can check out Evry. Let's go to Evry right now. Actually, let's go put it up. EVRY. This is just one of them. As you can see, this is an explosive move, right? Look at this strong volume. I'm not about day trading little movements. I look for stocks that are ready to explode, and then I talk about it. And I do options trades. TWTR. This was one successful trade. Of course, Apple was a huge one. Again, this is on my stream. Follow me for more great advice. Let's go to BBRY again. BBRY. Follow me for more great advice. I've been calling BlackBerry correct all the time. The last big win was around here, and I made a nice move. And I got out just before the big destructive fall. Didn't anticipate this. This is not what I'm about. I'm not about calling for things to go down a lot. I'm looking for things that are set up to go up. Basically, that's what my style is all about, but with confirmation. I'm not a day trader. I'm not looking for little 10, 20 cent moves. I want the stocks to pop $1, $2, $3. Those are successful to me. and not little 10-cent moves like what's been happening. This to me is noise. This was a real move. See this move here? It was a real move in a short period of time. In order for Bbry to have this kind of move again, we need volume and price confirmation. Thanks for listening. Like the video.